Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss class 8 biology, chapter 6, that is food production, exercise question and answer, first part, that is short and precise questions. Short and precise. Question number A. Show the following process in the form of flowcharts. Question number 1. Making bread. The steps are flour, then add sugar, warm water and yeast, then raised flour. After that, it forms bread. Question number 2. The flowchart of sericulture. Answer is, each silk moth lays 300 to 400 eggs. Next step, eggs hatched to give larvae, which are fed mulberry leaves for 5 to 6 weeks. Then, at the end of 6 weeks, larvae start spinning cocoon around themselves. They do so for around 4 days. Next step, cocoons are treated with hot water to kill pupa inside and soften the silk filament. Next step is in the next page. Further treatment that involves washing and dyeing yields soft filaments that are used to produce yarn. The raw silk threads are then released. Number 3. Apiculture. First step is catching bees or swarms, transferring swarm to hive, then harvesting of honey through centrifugation process. Question number B. Give reason for the following statements. Number 1. A little curd added to the warm milk turns the whole milk into curd by next morning. Answer is, milk contains a sugar called lactose. Curd contains certain bacteria, of which the bacterium Lactobacillus helps in the formation of curd. It converts the lactose in the milk into lactic acid. Question number 2. Yeasts make the food items soft. Answer is, the release of carbon dioxide by the yeast cells make the food items soft. Question number 3. Organic farming is eco-friendly. Answer is, organic farming is eco-friendly because they are rich in nutrients, non-toxic and do not pollute the groundwater. Question number 4. During sericulture, the cocoon obtained is first treated with steam or boiling water. Answer is, during sericulture, the cocoon obtained is first treated with steam or boiling water because it kills the pupa inside it and softens the sericin. Sericin protects the delicate silk during treatment. Question number 5. Green Revolution led to an increase in the production of agricultural crops. Answer is, during Green Revolution, there has been large scale increase in crop production in developing countries due to the use of high yielding crop varieties and modern agricultural practice. Question number C. Answer in short. Number 1. Classify plants on the basis of their lifespan. Answer is, On the basis of lifespan, plants are classified into three types: annual crops, biennial crops, and perennial crops. Question number 2. Define green revolution. The phenomenal increase in production of agricultural crops due to the use of modern agricultural practice is known as green revolution. Question number 3. What is organic farming? A method of growing crops without the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and other synthetic products is known as organic farming. Question number 4. What are the uses of beeswax? Answer is, after processing beeswax used in making candles, molds, cosmetics, polishes, crayons, and ointments. Number 5. Give any 3 uses of drought animals. Answer is, uses of drought animals are hauling carts and sledges in snow-covered regions. Number 2. Pulling agricultural implements. 3. Provide motive power to seed crusher, power generation devices, and water pumps. Number 6. Name some indigenous breeds of goats. Answer is, the indigenous breeds of goats are Gaddi, Kashmiri, Pashmina, and Marwari.